Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to my watch vlog. This is my dedicated YouTube space to anything and everything in my ongoing beginner's journey with watches. And in today's episode, we are going to unbox my first ever transparent G-Shock. So apparently this is called like the skeleton G-Shock, something like that. We will take it out of the box, put it on wrist, take a closer look, and see if it's worth buying or not. Excited? I am. Keep on watching. Let's go. Quick wristwatch check of the day since we are doing a G-Shock vlog. This is the G-Shock GBD-H1000, my first ever smartwatch G-Shock piece. I did an unboxing of this one. I did an initial quick review. Link down below just in case you guys are interested in this ridiculously dope watch. Okay fam, so let's jump right into it. So this is the G-Shock GA700SKE-7A. I think that's what it's called. So this is commonly known as the G-Shock Skeleton, featuring the GA700 model. So it comes in this typical box. If you pop it open, we have the typical manuals, that very thick Casio G-Shock manual. You have the warranty card, and then you have the box. This, by the way, I was able to get from at Tokyo over at the Podium second floor. This is available actually still via their Lazada shop. So if you don't want to go physically to the store, those living in the Philippines, you can actually buy this on Lazada. It gets shipped to you. You avoid getting close to people and potentially getting the virus. So if you want one, I will link down below on where you can buy this on Lazada for 7,000 something pesos, a little over 120 US dollars in US. So if you pop this open, here you go. This is it. Wow, take a look at that, guys. This is the G-Shock GA700 Skeleton, and it is a stunning, stylish, unique looking G-Shock. Now, as you can see, the case itself looks like it is transparent, but the inner bezel and the actual module looks to be some sort of like gray-black color. And then you have some sort of like silver, metallic, shiny material that they use for the actual dial of the watch. So you have the transparent case, you have the semi-black transparent strap over here, properly ventilated so it will be comfortable on wrist. You have the digital display, you have the time, second and minute, and then of course you have this digital display over here which allows for you to see different data or metrics depending on the mode. So this one shows the date and the day, Sunday, March 7, you press it once, it can go timer, press it another time, you can go world time, press it another time, you check the different alarms, and then you have the stopwatch, and then you go back to the time. The button over here is for adjusting. As it is a G-Shock, it is primarily made out of resin, so it is very, durable. It is shock resistant, it is water resistant, but this particular model though is chunky AF. So if we remove the G-Shock that I'm wearing right now, this one is actually 53, I think, mil diameter. So this should fit really well on my wrist. But I have a pretty big wrist. My wrist is a little over 8 inches. So there you go. Take a look at that. Now, my only concern with this watch is the legibility. So I have difficulty, checking the time. And I think that's the primary purpose wherein you would want to get a watch. So it's hard to see the silver second and hour, the minute and hour hand, since it is also on silver. So it's silver on silver. So it's the contrast is not there. So it's hard to see. So that's the only issue that I'm seeing so far. So if you ask me, this one is really more of a style statement. It's more a fashion piece than it is like a hardcore watch wherein you want maximum functionality. It looks like it's super fun to style though. It's super fun to rock with specific outfits. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of the watch. Hit the comment section. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. Is this something that you will consider buying? Yes or no? Let me know, comments. By the way, if you like the transparent look but you find the watch to be a little too thick, there is information going around that we will see this particular model of the G-Shock come out with a skeleton or transparent version. This, of course, is the GA2100, one of the best lightweight, smaller frame G-Shocks that you can get today. So We can expect to see this in the Philippines very soon. So if you guys love the transparent look, but you don't necessarily love the 53-inch diameter of this particular model, then you can just wait for the GA2100 skeleton model to drop here in the Philippines. But again, please do take note, from my observation with this watch, it's kind of hard to read the time, which is primarily the reason why you want to get the watch in the first place. So to what I said earlier, it really is more of a fashion accessory slash statement more than a hardcore watch. Anyway, that's actually it for this quick vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps a lot. And don't forget to comment down below what you think of the piece. Like what I mentioned earlier, I'll try to spend a couple of hours replying to as many of you as I possibly can. Yeah. So that said, this is Carlos signing out. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.